In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Cash App PIN. So here we are on Cash App. This is a full service finance and investing app. You're gonna have a cash balance that you can send back and forth to your bank, savings, Bitcoin, stocks. You can even receive your paychecks and do taxes here. One of the best features is the Cash App card. You can use this card to spend your cash balance. You can also use the offers feature to get discounts whenever you use the card. You can see I have mine on a 10% off Crocs discount right now. If you decide that you want to change your Cash App PIN, make sure you come to the card screen, scroll down and tap Change PIN. Then you want to put in your old PIN first. Then you can type in your new PIN that you want. Confirm your new PIN. And there you go. That's how to change your Cash App PIN. You can see up at the top of the screen, your cash PIN was reset. I'm getting notifications in my text and from Cash App. So that's just a security feature to make sure no one else is like hacking your account. And if you know that you're the one that changed the PIN, then you don't have to worry about that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.